Okay, so it's time to stop drowning in your inbox. What if you could slash hours off your email time each week and still send better, more personalized messages? Well, I'm about to show you how AI can make this a reality and not just a dream, so stay tuned. So how much time do you spend each week writing almost the same email to different people? It's a huge time drain for many businesses. You know you need to communicate, but the sheer volume can be overwhelming. And you might be thinking that your emails are too important to automate or AI sounds complicated. And I get it, and that's exactly what we're going to simplify today. Because there's a smarter way. We're talking about AI automation, and it's much simpler than you think. Today we're going to look at how this technology can free you up without losing that personal touch. My goal is to give you practical steps that you can use right away. So let's talk about those repetitive emails. Think about it. You're constantly following up with new leads, sending out project updates, and answering the same common questions day in and day out. Each one might only take a few minutes, but guess what? They all add up. And it's not just the time that it takes to write them, it's that mental energy. It's tedious, it's draining, and frankly, it's probably not the best use of your skills as a business owner. That time and energy can be spent on growing your business, talking to high-value clients, or developing new products. Instead, you're stuck in your inbox. Does this sound familiar to you? Question for you. If you got back even 5 hours a week from email, what would you do with that extra time? Think about it. This manual email grind is a hidden cost, and it's likely holding your business back more than you realize. Alright, so how do you escape the email hamster wheel without letting the important communication slip through the cracks? Well, this is where AI email automation steps in. It's not about robots taking over, it's about smart tools helping you out. Imagine if a smart system could handle a big chunk of your email load. The thing is, AI has the potential to help with up to 80% of a typical email communication for certain tasks. We're talking about things like welcome sequences, appointment reminders, thank you messages, and basic frequently asked questions. These aren't just basic autoresponders. We're talking about intelligent systems that can craft personalized emails. They can send them based on specific triggers, customer actions, or data you already have. The key to this is that AI tools learn and adapt. They can adjust send times based on when people typically open emails, or change the tone based on how someone interacted with previous messages. They help you send the right message to the right person at the right time, often better and more consistently than you can manually do when you're swamped. So AI can handle a lot, but how exactly does this magic work in a day-to-day business without sounding like a robot? Okay, so here's how AI can take specific time-consuming email tasks off your plate. We're going to start with smart follow-ups. You know when someone downloads your free guide or a lead magnet, that's a warm lead. But often you're too busy to follow up effectively with every single one, so that lead might go cold. With AI, as soon as they download, a personalized email sequence can start automatically. Maybe send a welcome message, then some helpful tips, and eventually a soft pitch for your main service. It can nurture them, offer more value, and guide them towards becoming a customer. You get to turn leads into sales all on autopilot. Next up, we have project communication. If you manage projects, you know clients love updates, but constantly emailing them about every little step takes time. Imagine your AI sending automated updates when key project milestones are completed. So when you mark the stage as done on your project tool, a clear, helpful message goes straight to your client. They stay informed and happy, and you save a ton of time. Next up, we have customer retention. So what about customers who haven't bought from you in a while? It's a shame to just let them drift away. AI can help here too. It can notice if a customer's been inactive and send a friendly, personalized, haven't seen you in a while email, maybe with a special offer or a useful tip. This is a simple way to bring back old customers and boost your repeat sales. I know reaching out to inactive customers often falls to the bottom of the to-do list, but the cool thing is AI makes it happen consistently. Another thing is event-triggered responses. Think about online shopping. When someone adds items to the cart but then leaves your website, that's a potential lost sale. But what if AI could instantly send a polite reminder email, maybe with a small discount to encourage them to complete their purchase? This kind of event-triggered email can recover sales that you might otherwise lose completely hands-free. Or maybe someone visits your pricing page multiple times, and that could trigger a helpful email about your services. Next up is a big one, response classification. Is your inbox a jumble of sales questions, support requests, and general inquiries? Or just a lot of spam? I mean, it can be overwhelming to sort through. AI can now help categorize those emails. It can even draft an initial response to very common questions and messages that truly need your personal attention. This means you can tackle your inbox faster and focus on what's most important. So think about that for a second. Which one of these areas, if automated, would give you the most time back? The thing is, AI helps you communicate more effectively and consistently, saving you tons of time and mental energy. So we've seen how AI can now take a lot of that email busy work off your shoulders. Now I'm curious about you. What are the email tasks that you absolutely dread doing manually each week? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're thinking this sounds great, but I'd love some help figuring out how to apply this to my specific business, I do offer consultations where we can look at your current systems and tailor AI solutions to fit your needs. There's a link in the description if you'd like to learn more about that. And if you're finding this valuable, please hit the like and subscribe button. So the thing is, drowning in your inbox does not have to be your reality. Effective, personalized communication is totally possible with AI as your assistant and not your replacement. AI email automation can free up your time, improve client interactions, and help you focus on what truly matters in your business.